am so pleased to announce that my dinner book is finally out. Yay! 2 years in the making. I love this book for a lot of reasons, but I wanted to bring your attention to the cover. These are my two granddaughters, May and Josie, and at the time of the picture, May was, I believe, 11 years old. And so we got in the kitchen, we were gonna make a pasta dish, and I was teaching her how to do the saute flip. I'm sure you've seen that on the Food Channel. Anyway, I really believe that it can be a useful thing for everyone to know how to do. So in a couple of hours, my grandson, Ross, he's almost 16, he's going to, he and his family are coming over to for dinner, and I'm gonna teach him how to do the saute flip. And I hope that as you watch the process, you can learn the method, and maybe it's something you'll be able to use in your kitchen. We are back, and I have with me my grandson, Ross, who's almost 16?
Yeah, 16.
All right. Now, we're gonna do the saute, I call it the saute flip. I don't really know if that's the correct name, but we all know what that is. That's when the chef, flicks the pan and things go flying and they land back in the pan. So, anyway, it's gonna be fun. Ross, have you done this before?
I have not.
Okay, he's a novice, so I'm gonna have Roger, our cameraman, go over there, and Ross, you come over here, all right? Okay, so just stand next to me, and we got the pan. It's probably at a medium heat. We're gonna do sugar snap peas, okay? Just because we can, all right? Ooh, squirt bottles, my favorite. Why don't you twirl that pan around and just, yes. He is a natural. Yeah, very good. Okay, so I'm gonna put the snap peas in there. All right. Now, I'm just gonna tell you one thing. You can only do this in a saute pan. And the difference between a saute pan and a frying pan is the fact that the sides are sloped. Yeah, and it's that sloping that's going to bring the food back in kind of in a circular motion. So if you had a frying pan, you wouldn't get any of that height and that circular motion. So just yeah. Okay. Now here's a secret too. This is in a method. I think when people start this, they want to make the motion. They want to help it by lifting it. But really what it just wants momentum. It just wants a jerk. So I just want you to jerk the pan back and forth. Just jerk it. Yeah, keep it very nice. Okay? Okay, I was going to ask you to lift it off the burner now and do that same motion without rounding it. Woo! Okay. All right. How about, let's turn this up a little bit. These aren't cooking terribly fast. Okay. So now I want you to keep it on the floor, keep it on the burner, and give me some good strength there in terms of momentum, back and forth. Okay, now a little slower. Oh, that's all right. We expected that. That's okay. Now do it. Just that. So that's all right. Keep going. You're doing fine. Just try once. Okay, there you go. Just one more time, just once. A little stronger. Whoa, now you have some confidence? Do it again, one time. There you go. Whoa, Ross, that was awesome. See, what you did differently is you did it and you kind of paused, didn't you, before, instead of a continuous. So one time and then pause, again, pause. Do it again. Let's make sure that wasn't an accident. Okay, that was too much, but that's okay. Keep going. That's all right. Keep. A little more. Yeah, and I like what you're doing because you're loosening it from the pan, and that's important. Keep going. That's all right. Okay, and it does take practice. Yeah. And if you were to do that, in 10 minutes, that will start coming naturally to you. And it's just a great thing it's just quick. Instead of having I lose them too. Instead of having to stop to do your salt and pepper or whatever, you can just do it on the fly and being my guinea pig. I appreciate it.